Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the air blast explosion by using convex method on the reinforced concrete column. What's the new type of concrete? The concrete with ash the from the palm oil and the eggshell partially instead of cement. We have a ductile concrete here rather than the normal concrete. See that this is a deformation. See the large deformation under the blast flow. We don't have this deformation for the normal concrete, but this is a uh, ductile concrete, such that ductile concrete. So let's me to check the damage for that compressive damage. See the compressive damage here at the boundary zone at the middle, and then the tensile damage for this kind of new type of concrete. See that? Okay, and the displacement. And let me now check the steel bar inside it. See the steel bar, the deformation of the steel bar, the stress for that steel bar having strips, plastic strain. Okay, and now the displacement. The displacement, let's me to plot it. See the displacement for the middle node of the column. We have a residual displacement around 1 centimeter, and this is the residual displacement inside the column. Okay, if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials, or search one or two words of the title here to find it. So here, this is our simulation. Click on title or blue sign, it says continue, and then you will have this title. We replace ash and eggshell instead of cement, but partially, not completely, and we extract the data from the reference paper, and we have the short explanation about the geometry here, definition of the material, steps, interactions, and blast procedure, and the results here. You can see the result here. And there are three important points at the end. The file contains CAI in English video file step by step, and the cost is $30 US. If you have Bitcoins, you can pay it with that. If you haven't Bitcoins, you can pay it with PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.